So now we are ready to start body cooling. Actually, we need to do the EEG, but the topic will be discussed. It's all supposed to be this one is. Yeah, in the word we are keeping this one to keep the moisture here. But for the purposes of demonstration, we will not use it. So you keep this one here. Yeah. Like this side, huh? Yeah. Make it legal so you don't need it. Yeah. It's okay. Yes. I think that's it all. Yes. So now we are ready to start body cooling. Actually, we need to do the EEG, but the topic will be discussed by another group. How do you know ma'am, they already do body cooling? This Asala, I think, and so here it's written, now the alarm functions will be checked. Currently the various symbols clearly adhere to alarm sounds. You will press yes. Confirm with yes. And here we have to select from all these modes the servo control complete treatment mode, because this is the one we are using. Okay, you have to select, and if you want to choose from this one, you can press from here to here, up and down. There is arrow. So from here we will select. Okay. A lateral probe must be inserted prior to the treatment. This one is an alarm like this because our baby is only dummy, it's not real patient. So yeah, then we will confirm.
What happened? Because auto is also considered a passive labor. And we put it on a 30%. Do you think that it will greatly cost the patient? Yes, it will cause hazard also to the patient. So just like the nitric oxide, you gradually reduce it. If it's on 20,